What's up, y'all? And welcome back to Talking with Tiny. So, I got a new toy. It is a Poopsie. It's a Poopsie purse. Oh, no. It is full with slime and the ingredients for it. So, I'm about to be showing y'all what's inside of it. So it's squirt bottles, the packets and all that good stuff, the containers, the unicorn spoon, the measuring cup, the cup that you mix it in like this, more packets, 2019 Poops charm that you can put your slime in that you make, and some more squirts and two pandas. They are the cutest. Okay, so I'm about to remove these. And here's my cup. That's a pretty cup. And here's the first one. And here's the second one. It's like a upgrade on it. They upgraded on it. Smells fresh. Get the top. Put it on there. So the first thing is we're gonna just see which ones they come with. Unicorn crunch, 2 unicorn crunches. I did not see this. There is, what is this? I think here's one thing. Okay, so these the powder bottles. They're not full with powder. They're just full with the liquid that you all put in this. Here, I'm gonna fill this up with water, so I'll be right back to fill it up with. So I got the water. I got the water now, and I'm gonna put the water in this cup. I'm gonna make 2. Let me look at the instructions, because for some reason I think I'm doing it wrong. Oh, that's a book. Here's the instructions. I don't get none of this. I'm just gonna do it my way. Come with 3 sets of containers, and now some big containers. Okay, so I'll pour the water in. I think I need 1 more cup, but that's good for now. Now I'm gonna get these little packets. Ooh, so I got unicorn sparkle, unicorn magic. I got more unicorn magic and more unicorn sparkles. So I'm gonna do 1 unicorn sparkle, 1 unicorn magic, and 1 more unicorn magic. No, I'm good with 2 of each. Put it back in the bag. And I'm gonna pour them in a cup. Yeah, I'll put them here. Pour these 2 in the cup. Make sure y'all can see it before I put it up there. I don't want to spill anything, but it's hard. Oh, this is a good metallic. I just saw the color because it landed on my leg. Blue to metallic. Let me open that. It looks like white powder, but it's actually pink. You add it to water, or if you mix it. So get the spoon. Where the spoon go? Oh, right here. Add the metallic to it. Add it closer. Woo! All of that for nothing. Okay. The water's turning a cute pink metallic color. A cute pink metallic color. Okay, that's enough of that. Make sure that's all of it because I want to put a really cute metallic color. Now it's time to get the unicorn sparkle. Okay. Okay. Oh, there's pretty looking stars. Guys, tell me in the comments how to make this correctly because I'm just adding any order way I want to. Oh, and here's the keychain. Just in case y'all wanted to see which keychain I got. Or which keychain I got. Here's my keychain. Let me see if it inside of it. Here's my cute 2019 Poopsie Poop. It looks blue on camera. It's really a cute purple. See, it's purple. Now it's blue. Okay, I like the 2019. I see her 2019 glasses and a little keychain. So I'm gonna put this slime in that one. And I'm using my unicorn crunch. I'm gonna use some of these bottles. I'm just gonna add a little bit of airtime. If I don't get this mess. It tells me nothing but how to do it. I still don't get it. I know that. So give us some clean. It's foam beads! Yes! Oh, snap my floor. The floor is full with metallic stars and unicorn crunch. They're really not foam, these are like smaller. That's enough unicorn crunch. Use this gray teddy bear. I'm not using the purple one right this on this one. I'll save it now for the next one. Okay, there we go. Let's see, what is this? I'm just gonna add it. Oh, that's deep. Is okay, that's enough. Yeah, I heard that? It's like pew, pew. And I'm gonna use the pink one. Okay, just because I just said purple, I'm using the purple one. I'm gonna use the purple one of this one and then the pink of the other one. Okay. Just gotta open it up. That's enough of that purple. Get this pink. There we go. Close it up. Now we're gonna add 1 red, 1 orange, and 1 yellow. This red looks happy, and it looks like hot sauce. So maybe make a good spicy looking sauce. There's hot sauce. Really not hot sauce. It really looks like it. I hope that's some good looking magic then when I mix up the slime. Okay, here's the orange zipper